3 at, guess what time? 3. That's right, 3 at 3. It's the first new one of 2024. Let's get started because I got to join Liz Claman in just a few minutes. So, taping this one ahead of that, I'll be covering some AI stocks with the lovely Liz Claman and my brother Pete. So, make sure you tune in for that. 3 p.m. Eastern Time, Fox Business Channel. Now, quickly, the unusual activity that I'm going to cover today, I'm first going to tell you, make sure that you sign up for our book because it's still free and you can get it if you go to itsnotanoption.com. So if you'd like to get that free book about trading derivatives, option trading, spreading, and so forth, don't even have to do anything fancy. You could just buy calls or just buy puts. Most of my trades are option-related trades, buying calls or buying puts. And frequently I'm selling calls against them. So, or puts. So I end up into a spread, but I don't even recommend for newbies that they do that. I think it's just a great idea for you to learn about options, and that's why we offer this free book. So go to itsnotanoption.com and you get that free book. Itsnotanoption.com. All right, let's talk a little bit about what's going on in TLT, because somebody puts down a pretty big bet that the TLT goes considerably higher. It's 98, they're saying 108. That means rates are going to drop like a stone. If you believe that, and many of you do, I'm sure, well, these June 108 calls bought for $1.76, that's a big trade, folks. So check that one out. And if you're a trader, maybe you trade or invest in that direction. Next one, ETRN. ETRN, Equitrans. So you're going to move some fossil fuel. Well, one of the ways you might do it is through Equitrans. And 22,500 is a big trade. That's 2.25 million shares. And you're not interested? Of course you are. I'm interested. So July 11 calls. The stock was trading at 1034 at that time. Third and final trade on today's 3 at 3 is SPY. Another trade that is quite large, 20,000 options of a $400 stock. In other words, 2 million shares of a $484 stock. It's just shy of $1 billion bet. That's a big bet, folks. So check that one out. A million shares times 484 is 484 million. So this is closing in on $1 billion worth of SPY, S&P 500, betting that it goes higher, $11 higher between now and January expiration. You want to make that bet? Follow right along with them. You want to trade like me? What I do is I buy at the monies and sell upside calls against it, especially on a day when the markets are down. I like my odds. That's going to do it for me today. Make sure you tune in to the lovely and talented Liz Claman. My brother Pete and I join her at 3 p.m. Eastern Time today. If you don't see it live, you could always pick it up off of their, we'll try to retweet it as well. Bang. All right. MarketRebellion.com/get started. That's MarketRebellion.com/get started. Bang.